Welcome to Top Reviews Lab. The best extra large dog door is probably one of the most essential yet often overlooked accessories for pet owners with larger breeds, providing your furry friend with the freedom to roam indoors and outdoors at their leisure, which can significantly reduce accidents and improve their overall well-being, making it a worthwhile investment for any dedicated dog parent seeking convenience and peace of mind. Number 5. PetSafe Sliding Glass Pet Door, Medium. Install this pet door easily into your existing sliding door track. No drilling or permanent modifications are needed for a simple DIY setup. Designed for medium dogs and cats, it features a generous flap opening. It accommodates pets up to 40 pounds, ensuring comfort for your furry friends. This patio panel requires a sliding glass door track at least 1 inch deep. It's designed to integrate seamlessly with your existing door. Enjoy convenient and safe pet access year-round. It features a magnetic flap, shatter-resistant glass, and a lock kit for energy efficiency and security. Built with a sturdy aluminum frame, this pet door is made to last. It's designed to withstand daily use and various weather conditions. With over 25 years of experience, we deliver vet and trainer-recommended solutions. Create moments of joy for your pets with our trusted products. What we like. This option offers a no-cut DIY installation, making it incredibly easy to set up without any permanent modifications. It's weatherproof and secure, ensuring your home is protected year-round. If you have a sliding glass door and want a hassle-free installation, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. The door is very sturdy and well-made, with a durable frame that can withstand rough use from larger dogs. Installation was straightforward, and the adjustable tunnel allows for a perfect fit in various wall thicknesses. The magnetic closure system works effectively, ensuring the flap seals tightly to prevent drafts and keep out pests. Number 4. PetSafe Medium Plastic Pet Door. Give your furry friend the freedom to go outside for potty breaks and playtime whenever they need. They can now enjoy their own schedule without needing you. This door is designed for pets up to 40 pounds. The flap opening measures 8.18 inches wide by 12.14 inches high, providing ample space. You can easily control your pet's access with the included snap-on closing panel. This also helps keep unwanted stray animals out of your home. The paintable plastic frame allows you to customize its color. You can easily match it to your home's existing door color for a seamless look. Installation is a breeze, perfect for DIY enthusiasts. It fits interior or exterior wood, PVC, metal, and paneled doors between 1/16 and 2 inches thick. What we like. With its paintable frame, this door allows you to seamlessly match your home's decor, offering a customized look. The easy DIY installation makes it suitable for various door types. If you're looking for a pet door that blends in with your home's aesthetic and provides simple installation, this is the one to consider. What people say. The door is easy to install and my dog learned to use it right away. It's very sturdy and well-made, and it keeps out the weather effectively. The large size is perfect for my Great Dane, and he can go in and out without any problems. Number 3. PetSafe X Large Plastic Pet Door. Give your furry friend the freedom to go outside whenever they need to. They can enjoy potty breaks and playtime on their own schedule. This door is designed for larger pets, accommodating those up to 220 pounds. The generous flap opening ensures comfortable passage. You can easily control your pet's access with the included snap-on closing panel. This also helps keep unwanted stray animals out of your home. The paintable plastic frame allows you to customize its appearance. You can easily match it to your door's existing color for a seamless look. Installation is a breeze, perfect for DIY projects. It's suitable for various door types, including wood, PVC, metal, and paneled doors. What we like. This extra-large option is designed for very big dogs, accommodating pets up to 220 pounds. It also features a paintable frame for a custom look and easy DIY installation. If you have a large breed dog and want a door that fits them comfortably and matches your home, this is an excellent selection. What people say. The door is very sturdy and well-made, with a durable frame that can withstand rough use from large dogs. Installation was straightforward, and the door fits securely into the wall, providing a good seal against drafts and weather. The flap is flexible yet strong, allowing my dog to easily push through while keeping out rain and wind. Number 2. PetSafe Wall Entry Pet Door, Large. This pet door is ideal for homes where installing a pet door into your human door isn't feasible. It offers a convenient solution for your pet's access. Crafted from durable plastic, this pet door resists rust unlike steel alternatives. It also provides excellent insulation to keep your home comfortable. The adjustable telescoping tunnel fits walls between 434 and 714 inches thick. Extension kits are available for thicker walls, ensuring a perfect fit. This do-it-yourself project is simple to install in any interior or exterior wall. A cutting template and instructions are included to guide you. The double flap design offers superior weatherproofing and energy efficiency. A removable panel can be added for extra insulation when needed. This large size is perfect for dogs up to 100 pounds. The generous flap opening ensures comfortable passage for your larger pets. Give your pets the freedom to come and go as they please. It's perfect for quick potty breaks or spontaneous play sessions. What we like? This model is specifically designed for wall installation with a unique telescoping tunnel that adjusts to different wall thicknesses. It offers better insulation than metal options and is easy to install yourself. If you can't install a door in your human door and need a solution for your wall, this is the ideal product for your needs. What people say. The door is easy to install and my dog learned to use it right away. It is very durable and has held up well to my large dog's use. The design is sleek and it looks great on my wall. Number 1. PetSafe Extreme Weather Aluminum Dog Door. Introducing the PetSafe Extreme Weather Aluminum Dog Door, designed for ultimate energy efficiency and durability. Keep your home comfortable in any climate. Our unique 3-flap system, featuring adjustable and flexible flaps with a magnetic seal, provides superior protection against extreme temperatures. It's designed to block significantly more thermal loss than standard doors. The center insulated flap is key to maintaining your home's temperature. It effectively keeps extreme warm and cool air outside, ensuring a more comfortable living environment for you and your pets. Constructed with a durable metal frame and reinforced aluminum corners, this door is built to last. It can easily handle the demands of active and multi-pet families. Manage your pet's access to the outdoors with the included slide-in closing panel. This feature also helps prevent stray animals from entering your home. Installation is a breeze, even for a DIY project. It fits easily into doors made of wood, PVC, metal, or panels that are 3.75 to 5 centimeters thick. What we like? Featuring a highly energy-efficient 3-flap system, this door is built to withstand extreme weather conditions, blocking significantly more thermal loss. Its reinforced aluminum frame ensures durability for active households. If you live in an area with harsh weather and need maximum energy efficiency and a robust build, this is the ultimate choice for your pet. What people say. This is a great door for my large dog. It is easy to install and my dog loves it. The door is well made and durable. It has a secure locking mechanism that keeps my dog safe. I love that the door is adjustable to fit different wall thicknesses. It was a perfect fit for my home. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.